Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by Myfirstwig, and this is a Rashon collab. And today I'm going to be getting you guys fall ready. Is it too early to get you fall ready? No, it is not, because I know you guys are going to be on the lookout for an everyday natural looking unit. Now this is their Kinky straight invisible lace front wig. This one does have a 13x4 parting space area. It is 16 inches in length, 130% in density. This unit also comes with your 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, your adjustable strap, and also your adjustable elastic band. Am rocking a cap size 1. You guys know I have a small head. With Myfirstwig, I never have an issue with the way that their units fit. Sometimes I wear a silicone grip, but for the most part I don't need it at all because the fit is so good, especially if I tighten up my straps and tighten up that elastic band. Now this is what it's looking like at the ends. It does have like a little light bump to it, and then I'm going to get into this parting space. Now y'all, I was like, not them sending me this little bitty parting space, a 13x4. Y'all know I love me some 13x6. However, this does come in a 13x6 option. On her channel, she did show the 13x6. The hairline on this is plucked out nicely. This one does come with the deep bleach and the deep ultimate pre-plucked hairline. So I'm going to go around the front of the hairline with a little bit of my wax, and then I'm going to use my hot comb just to kind of press everything back. And as you can see, I don't feel like I'm going to have to go in and do any extra plucking because they did a good job with it. I have the lace cut off. I am going to take some hair from the side and I'm just going to pull it over so it can cover up my sideburns. I still want it to look natural, and because this is a glueless install, I do not want that lace to flap up, so this just helps to kind of keep it all down. You don't need to bring forth a lot of hair, but just enough to kind of cover up that lace. And then here I am thinking I'm about to make a side part work. It ain't gonna work, not with this. So I was like, girl, just give it up. Hang it up, hang it up. Let's just go with the middle part so we can get as much parting space as we can. So yeah, I'm gonna rock a middle part today. Going in with this cream of nature mousse, and guys, I always use different mousse. I am not stuck on just one. Whatever gets the hairline laid down, I feel like they pretty much all do the same thing. But I'm going to go around the front of this hairline, and then I'm just going to kind of comb everything back, that way the lace can settle and melt down. And then I'm going to use my blow dryer and just to kind of speed up the process, because I don't want to sit my elastic band on top of the hairline while it's wet with this particular texture, because I don't want it to get super wavy in the front. So this just kind of helps to keep everything really nice and flat. And then once I am done drying everything down, I'll place the band on so I can work on styling the rest of the hair. Adding some curls to this hair, and of course you can rock it straight out of the package because it does have like a very slight bump to the ends, but I'm gonna add a tighter curl. Usually in the fall time, I'm either wearing my kinky straight hair really straight, or I'm adding a curl to it, because the curls do fall and it ends up having a nice wave that I can rock for the rest of the week. And as you can see, I'm just using my flat iron. I'm not going to be super perfect and super detailed, but the curls came out really pretty. But just to let you guys know, with this type of hair, because it is so soft, it doesn't stay for a long time. So if you want it to stay longer, make sure you go in with some type of holding spray. To go off of camera and curl the rest of the hair, but I want to show you guys what one side looks like curled up and the other side straight out of the package. They both look good. And then I'm going to do some light makeup. Go ahead and remove this elastic band, and I do need to add some powder into the parting space area just to kind of help open it up a bit more. I also need to scoop my wig up some. I feel like it was a little bit too far back, so I am going to end up scooting it up after I fluff out these curls first. So I'm going to add some Sleek and Shine serum in my hands. I'm not going to add too much serum because with kinky straight hair, I do not like for it to look oily at all. I do not want it to have a heavy sheen. And then once I fluffed out the curls, I did see that I needed to fix up some of the areas in the front and curl it just a little bit tighter because some of the curls did fall. This is the final look of this unit, and I definitely like the curls. It adds a different look. This is what it looks like when I turn around. I think their kinky straight units at 130% is perfect, especially for every day. However, if you decide to get the 13x6, that is 160% density. The front of the hairline looks good. I didn't have any issues. As far as the bleaching goes, I did notice some of the areas in the parting space looked a little bit more harsher than some areas on the lace. You can also kind of tuck this behind your ear and move some of the hair up in the front. And I just think that this overall look is really, really cute. But let me know what you guys think about this unit. If you are feeling it, I am going to make sure to leave a link down below in the description area. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications on, share, like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.